Here's how to fix slow Windows performance quickly. Step 1. Clear temporary files. Press Windows plus S, type Disk Cleanup, and open the app. Select your C drive and click OK. In the list, check Temporary Files and any other unnecessary files you want to remove. Click OK, then Delete Files to confirm. This removes clutter that can slow down your PC and frees up storage. Step 2. Run System File Scanner, SFC scan. Press Windows plus S, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type SFC/Scan Now and press Enter. Windows will scan for corrupted system files and automatically repair them. This can resolve performance issues caused by damaged or missing files. Wait for the scan to complete. It may take a few minutes. Once finished, the command prompt will show a summary of repairs. Following these 2 steps will help your PC run smoother and faster. Make sure to perform these regularly to keep Windows optimized. Subscribe for more professional Windows fixes.